Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Godzilla Ghillie Mask from Call of Duty. Now, I already showed you guys how to draw the Kong one, so this one I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Godzilla mask, and then eventually I want to show you guys how to draw the full suit of armor for both characters. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Godzilla Call of Duty mask, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to start right about here, and we just want to make a little line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to go over like this. Do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring a little line over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then down a little bit. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to come up and down a little bit. Right here for the eye, let's make a line that's going to curve up. We'll do the same thing over here. We'll just kind of curve up for the eye. Starting here, we're going to go out, and then we'll bring it down. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Go out and bring it down to kind of start off where the nose is going to be. Right here, we'll make a little hook, and then we'll draw a line that comes down on each side. This is just going to kind of form the nostrils. We'll draw another line that just comes down to connect it. Next, we'll leave some space and bring this line down on each side a little bit farther. Then we'll just draw a line across to connect it. Starting here, we're going to draw this line up and over. Do that same thing over here. Let's just come up and over a little bit, kind of form where the mouth is going to be. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down and in. And over here, we'll just go down and then in. We'll bring it across and up. Now let's add some teeth in here. I'm just going to add some sharp teeth all around the top. Make them a little bit smaller as they come back. And we'll also add some sharp teeth down towards the bottom as well. Starting here, let's add a little line that comes down on each side. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down and then in. Same thing over here. We're going to go down and then in. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to go over and bring it up here. Bring the line down, and we're going to curve it around. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go over and just kind of curve it around. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up to here, and then we're going to bring this down over here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. Right here, we're going to come down, and then we'll add a few little pointed lines here. Do that same thing over here. We're going to come down, and then we're going to add a few little pointed lines. Do that same thing. We're going to come down again with some more lines. Same thing here, down here with some more little pointed lines. We're going to bring this down, and we'll come right to here and up. Same thing, he'll bring this down, go right to here, and then up. We'll make this line out and then come in. And same thing here, we're going to go out and then bring it in. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, over and up. And we'll just bring this line over here. Over here we're going to add a few more points on each side. Next we'll draw a little line that's going to come up to here. Same thing here. Next we'll make a little broken line that's going to run right around the jaw. And then a couple more here. We'll bring some lines in a little bit. Then we're going to make a long broken line up. We'll make some kind of curved broken lines right around here just to show some detail by his eyes. And we'll do that on each side, just some of these long curved broken lines. A couple little broken lines right by the nose. And a few more here. We're going to make a few broken lines up here, and then we're going to make a couple of them come across here just to kind of show some scales. We'll do some right along here too. And a few more around there, and a couple more on the neck. Then we'll just add a couple little lines right along here on this hood. This is kind of what they call a ghillie, so it's supposed to be, you know, used for camouflaging and everything, so that's why it's got all this texture on there. So we're just going to add some little lines on there. And we can always put a couple extra kind of coming down, just for a little bit of extra detail. And there you go, there is your Call of Duty Godzilla mask. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.